Well, this is low summertime height. It's October 23rd. I usually never fish this late when the leaves are in the water like this, because it just moves your line around. I never catch anything, but I give it a shot today because it's 77 degrees, nice breeze. I'll give it a shot. Well, the clarity of the water is super clear, but no fish, no biters. Seen a couple wee little runts, smallmouth, but they were only like 4 or 5 inches. That's it. Nothing else. No activity. Boy, first fish I caught, keeper, but he's got a deformed mouth. Number one, really deformed, poor bastard. Yeah, when the leaves are in the water, I think the fish probably almost head for hibernation mode. One fish